Ever struggled to open shellfish the right way? Today I'm breaking down how to open every type of shellfish like a pro, from oysters to lobsters and even sea urchins. Stick around for expert tips and techniques. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today I'm tackling one of the most challenging kitchen skills, how to open and prepare every type of shellfish. From delicate oysters to giant lobsters, I'll show you how to do it the right way. Let's get started. First, let's talk tools. You'll need an oyster knife for safe and easy oyster shucking, a clam knife for opening tough clam shells, shellfish scissors for cutting through lobster and crab shells, and seafood pickers for getting into those hard-to-reach spots. Now, let's dive into crabs. For blue crabs, steam them first. Remove the claws and legs. Crack open the body, and extract that sweet meat. For Dungeness crabs, twist off the claws, remove the apron, break in half, and scoop out the meat. With soft shell crabs, remove the gills, apron, and eyes before frying for a crispy bite. When it comes to lobsters and crawfish, here's what you do. For live lobster, humanely dispatch it, twist off the tail, claws, and legs, then crack and remove the meat. For cooked lobster, twist off the parts, use shears to cut open the shells, and extract the tender meat. For crawfish, twist and pull the tail, peel back the shell, and suck out those flavorful juices. Oysters and clams can be tricky, but not with these tips. For oysters, use a shucking knife to open at the hinge, slide along the top shell, and remove the meat. For hard-shell clams, insert the clam knife at the lip, pry open, and cut the adductor muscle. For soft-shell clams, steam them, remove the siphon, and clean for chowders or frying. Now for exotic shellfish. For scallops, pry open the shell, remove the muscle, and clean off extra parts. For sea urchins, cut around the mouth, drain the liquid, and extract the golden roe. For abalone, use a spatula to detach from the shell, remove the guts, and clean. For conch, make a hole in the shell, loosen with a spatula, and pull out the meat. Now you know how to open every type of shellfish like a pro. Whether you're preparing oysters for a feast or cracking into a lobster, these techniques will help you every time. Which shellfish do you love the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert kitchen skills. Want to master more seafood techniques? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for more in-depth tutorials.